most of the time combining two music genres always sound fire. So today we are going to combine Afrobeat and R&B to create a beat that could be great for artists like our star and Terms. Let's have some fun. I'm gonna set my tempo around 95 and load Omnisphere. I'm gonna start by creating the chord progression so we can get the R&B vibe first, and then after I will create the Afro drums. Let's use the Go Summer keyboard. Okay, let's select a key. We can go on the key of C sharp minor. The method we're gonna use to create the chord progression is pretty simple. We're gonna start with simple triad, and then after we turn them into 7 chord and we make the chord progression sound complex. So I think I'm gonna start with the A. Okay, we get back to G. Now we are going to complete each chord. Since we highlighted the scales we are in, it's pretty simple. You just keep one and then add one. Now this is our chord progression. Okay, now we are going to add the 7th note. Okay, now we copy all the low note and then we transpose them 1 octave lower. Sound better now? There's a technique they use a lot in R&B. It's like you create an arpeggiator with the first chord and then you keep the second one as it is. And then we take this one, we can drag it here. And then we do the same thing here. And let's cut this right here, delete, and then we bring those here. Oh, it's sweet. Now we are going to layer the first instrument with others so we can have a better sounding chord progression. Let's use this key right there. This one is basically for R&B. Let's try it. Command C, Command V. Maybe we play a little bit with okay. We can remove some of the low on this one. Like, let's keep it here for now. And now I'm going to use the Memory 5 by Arturia. It is a new plugin. It is a crazy plugin. I've had access to the plugin since they drop it, and guys, trust me, there are a ton of good preset on the Memory V. There is a preset that I tried. It was this one right there. This preset sounds so good, guys. And now we're going to apply a filter. Woo! And now that's sweet. Hey, I feel like I want to add the drum. I have to add the drum now. Let's go here and then Afro banger, drum kick. Let me go with this kick right there. And percussion. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. Okay, and then now we can just create the vibe that I love, like so. Is that a key cool? Okay, I think now we can add some shaker. Let me use one from the Afro chill. Let's use this right there. Combine those two. Yep, that's it. Now we can add some hi-hat. I think we'll go to fire. Or we can just go to the last drum kit we add. Let's use this one. Maybe we add something like that right here. 1 2 step again. And then we have this right there. Now it's time to add the conga. We know there is no Afrobeat without the conga. Boom, boom, boom. Today I want to use an 808. I cannot remember the last time I used an 808 on this channel. So let's go to the fire drum kit and let's use this. This one always sounds good. I know it's gonna sound fire. Maybe we take this one. Right? Hey, that's a fire. That's a fire vibe. That sounds good, but we can complete it by adding a log drum. When you combine bass, it's gonna give you a different vibe. Normally you don't hear a lot of bass pattern that are created with 2 or 3 different bass instruments. So let's combine this one with the log drum. But before, let's add the gold particles so we can have more vibe, you know. Nice. Now it's time to add some vocal chops. I'm gonna go to Splash and then try to find some. I don't want something that's gonna make the beat feel too busy. We just need something to layer underneath of everything so we can leave space for the artist. So let me just go to Splice and see what I can find. Okay, I might go with this one too. And let's go with the first one. This one is on B minor. We put it to C sharp, which is plus 200. And we'll put this on 4 bars. Command Z. First thing we put this one on 4 bars, and then we transpose plus 200. Okay, we can just cut this right there. Boom, boom, and then we only keep those. And then we start with the second vocal just there. Let's make sure it sits well in our mix. And this one is on A sharp minor. We can transpose, it's gonna be plus 300. Alright, the pitch is too high. Let's maybe transpose minus 900 down. Okay, I think that's good, but let's make sure this sits well in the mix. Let's try this. I'm gonna put you here. That's fire. That's fire. Let's add this one to a mixer track. We can try to add the far filter font effect on it to see how it sounds. And the next thing can be a reverb. Let's use the Valhalla Vintage Verb. Okay, that's with the EQ and that's without it. I really love the vibe we create, guys, and I don't want to add any more instrument on it because it is a vibe. I really want to mix it so we can hear this sound more. The memory view preset is fire. You can just screenshot it so you can use it when you get the memory view plugin. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, leave a comment down below. Now I think it's time to let you enjoy the vibe we create, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.